I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Needs to have a washer on both sides of the plate to provide a standoff so that it doesn't scrub against the other latch plate. My problem is, this flathead screw protrudes slightly and causes it to scrape, and it makes it so it doesn't want to latch correctly. When I tighten this screw down, it actually tilts it and causes it to jam. So I'm going to have to countersink this plate to allow that screw to go below the surface of this plate so it doesn't scrub on this one. That way the washers in the back can create a little standoff so this can slip back and forth without that grinding. And this needs two flathead screws, because if I put flathead screws in these two holes, it's going to bind. It's not going to line up right, it's going to bind. So I'm going to put two flathead screws into here. So that means I'm going to be using all three flathead screws this one and these two in this. So that means I have to countersink these two holes and this third hole in the backing plate. So we'll go down and I'll countersink this hole and these two. And then I can put this door latch up and get ready to mark out where this one goes. And there, we have it down below the surface of the plate. No more catches. Now do the same for this one. That's got it. This plate will go on the door back here, and it needs to be on this side because this is the side that's captured. This side, there's a little give to it. And I don't want to have somebody pulling on the door to open it. This side is captured by the door guide at the bottom, so that this part of the door can't be pulled out. Hanging on the wheels at the top and captured by the guide at the bottom. So this can't go out very much at all. I mean, obviously if you put a pry bar in there, you can pry that out. But the idea is just so that the door operates smoothly. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. There. Means that this job is done. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union. without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.